Hi everyone, I'm working from home.
I'm working from home, and as you can see, this is my workplace.
So this is my work setup. We still keep close contact with our customers for any requests or any updates. So let's work hard together in these difficult times.
Hi, this is my work from home space. Currently, I'm managing customer expectations due to this current pandemic situations. We hope that customer can rest assured that we are doing our best to minimize the delay to their side.
Hi guys, this is my workplace at home. So I'm using 3G for internet because I may have Wi-Fi.
And we are keeping customers updated about our current situation, as well as managing all the deliveries and rescheduling.
This is my working place during the lockdown. It's a good experience.
Morning everyone, LPG woke up on the operation meeting dashboard rescheduling.
Hi. Okay, here is my workplace.
Hi, today still work from home. Then I'm working through this table, then follow up the supplier.
Hi everyone, I'm working from home and this is my workspace. So happy working guys, bye.
Hi everyone, this is my first experience working from home.
Hi guys, I'm working from home.
Hi everyone, this is Ice here. My job every day is to follow up with my key supplier and update the status. And also I will do my daily production.
Good day everyone. Here is my work from home environment. So every day we have a morning meeting, evening meeting. My task is to follow up supplier and hook up the format of supplier improvement plan.
Programming from home today. It might be a different place, but the hard work continues. Hope everyone's doing fine and we can get through this obstacle together.
Hi guys, how are you there? I hope you're all fine. And this is my workstation here. So far I still can work programming and solve some programming or factory issues. I hope very soon we can back to company and we can work as normal.
Hi guys. Programmers are working from home these few days. We're having some difficulty in communication, but still we're trying to utilize Teams to communicate with each other. Do a remote session if we have some doubts to clear it up. Hope the whole situation resolves soon so that we can work as usual. Let's work.